There we go. Hey everyone, and welcome. Welcome to the Train Expert channel. We got a Norfolk Southern C29 coming. Let's check it out. Huh? We got there just in time. We're just waiting over there, and then we finally got some train. We got a train coming now. Let's check it out. It's the second consecutive Norfolk Southern trains. I already had a Norfolk last week. Hey, the horn's back. Oh, it's three engines in this one, but the only difference in this, there's no SD60. I already had the SD60 last week, and now it's like an SD40 leading instead. SD40, GP38, and a GP40 trailing. All right. Yep, first train of the day finally. Good thing we don't need the OC&T. We got this. This is gonna be a little. Got a Conrail and a Norfolk Southern gondola. Two of them actually. Long. Oh, this thing is huge. There's the end. There's the end. There's the end of Norfolk Southern C29. The C29 originates to Sharon, Pennsylvania, heads east to Meadville, Pennsylvania is where it terminates. Pretty cool with the SD40, GP38, and a GP40 trailing. It's my second consecutive Norfolk Southern train here on the Train Expert channel, all on this Tuesday, October 25th, 2022, from Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. Alright, we're gonna get off and we'll get back on with the next train, the same one. Talk to you later.